Hello guys, today maglaro tayo ng Roblox. Gusto niyo Minecraft? Sige na lang Roblox.
It's my live stream.
Tagalog.
It's my... Oh, am I seeing something top of my screen? Okay. Okay, I'm not ready yet. How to pause this?
Wait bro, I'm playing that. We're rolling for brain rots. Bro,
You don't know what is my brain rot.
my brain rots are better bro and they make me a quillion. I mean a quadrillion.
That's what I'm saying. Quadrillion.
Yeah, Romy.
Look. I have...
Shit.
And then look at how na my base height I have.
Bro, my base is literally more taller than you think.
Do you even have this, bro? Bro, come on. Look at this. Do you have this?
Bro, my baby is using my mom's phone.
Dragon curry, Ronnie.
Bro, I literally have that, bro. So
Bro,
please stop.
can you pause this? Like, I want to end the live
Bro.
stream.
You need to revert.
Can I end the live stream, bro? Please. And then why do you make me revert? No.
Bro, you literally have those brain rots, bro.
No. I am back to becoming weak again. What do you do?
Bro, you're not weak. You're not weak. Look at this.
Bro.
Look at this.
Bro.
Everybody do hitting with a sea light.
Wait, I want to stop the video now. I want to stop it now. I want to stop the video now.
Bro,
It's creeping me out, bro.
but it's not creeping you out, bro. It will never creep you.
Okay. Time to finish the video. Okay.
Bro, please,
I'm
bro. My dad's gonna
lagging.
kill you. Bro, my
I'm
dad's gonna
lagging.
kill you if you're loud enough, bro. Ah, shit.
Wait, what?
Yep.
I need this. The baka. I have the baka sa Runuto.
Hindi mo pa nang gawin
Patayin ko. La baka. I have la baka.
Bro, that's not the baka, bro.
It's the baka. What do you mean? What kaya mo? I have another dragon cannelloni. La baka.
Bro, can you please give me this dragon cannelloni, bro? Oh my god, bro, I have that too.
Dragon cannelloni.
What's your pass?
Look at this.
Pass this.
Okay, I'm not good at the game.
But I'm fully in the game then you, bro.
Ah!
Konsidente na.
Ibong
Yes.
Siya palapasin ha.
bukla. Sorry guys, sorry. That's my friend. Sorry guys. Sorry. Sorry for hearing that bang bang quick. Bro, they really just hurted you. What you really said.
Baka kwek shampoo, pansit canton Tato
I'm so laggy, bro. I'm so laggy. Wait, can I stop the video now? It's too weird with you. Gotta be too weird.
But it's not gonna be weird, bro.
Okay, just give me it.
Bro, it will not be weird, bro. You can just like end the live stream like me, bro.
I want to end it right now. Ah, my head.
Bro, imagine, bro, your subscribers said, bro, where are you? Because, bro, I'm gonna help you make more likes. Because mine is more likes, bro. Do the nervy trend. Wait, bro, give me this phone, bro.
Mom, this is my phone. I put what I wanted. Wait,
Bro,
what
please,
is this thing? What kind of block is this? I don't remember getting it. But I will put it in my base. I cannot put it.
bro.
What about you said it? Oh, I drop it. Isa pa.
Panalo. Luto ng plato. Panalo ang luto mo.
Bro, stop. I'm gonna really end the live stream because of you.
Okay, bro, you can end the live stream, bro, but instead of your phone, bro. And just do the nervy trend.
Wait, look at this, bro.
I just get some nervy. Bro, I'm more mayaman than you, bro. I'm mayaman than
You
you.
mean richer than you?
Yep, I'm richer than you.
Look at this.
Hey, bro, what are those roller skates? Cause I feel like also having that.
They're purple. They're hard to get.
Bro, I literally have that, bro. But what do you mean hard to get?
It's hard to get. Like, I'm gonna create a dragon karate on you right now.
Bro, I'm more mayaman than you, bro. So you can't beat me.
I love this game.
Bro, I'm the owner of the... Stop it! I'm gonna kill you!
Can you stop that scream? That scream freaking me out of this house. The yours. You're so weird. Can you stop that?
Bro, you're not too mayaman, bro.
No.
Give me the phone, bro. You
No.
can go to the Celestial.
Yeah, bebenda. Oh my God.
Papa. Yeah,
Papa. I keep coming back at this.
Papa.
Stop that, bro. You're my live stream right now.
Bro, I'm the first one who made 4 live streams, and then you're the one who's gonna make me.
Yep. Yeah. Oh, I got to the rainbow. I need heaven. Is there any brain rods here?
Bro, it was fun. 1 hour.
Fail. I cannot handle this video.
Bro, I cannot handle it too.
Oh, you want to end the live stream right now? I guess.
Bro, I have that, bro. 1x1x1x1x1. But bro, it makes more than you.
When I slap you, I want to slap you right now. You're being weird. This is my very first live stream, bro.
Bro, but I'm the one who made your live stream to make your subscribers better. Then why me?
Because you're ugly.
Bro, that's super loud, bro. You can even hear that in heaven, right?
Yep. Yes, the subscribers.
Yup, bro. The subscribers will hear.
Wait, what? Stop that boy! I hate you.
Bro, how much can you carry, bro?
Like this much. Let me show you. Wanna show Mickey Mouse?
That's not even a Mickey Mouse, bro.
I can carry 3.
Bro, I can carry a lot, bro. But I only carry 1. But bro, I'm gonna upgrade that soon, bro. If I win in a 1v1 battle. But bro, did you know hack Bolt for brain rots? Hack Bolt? Bro, I literally bro, my money is QA.
Okay, can you stop that? It's so loud. That's it. I'm banning you, bro. Stop typing in chat, bro. Stop typing in chat.
Bro, look at that big strawberry elephant's booty.
I want that strawberry elefante.
Bro, you can also steal that, bro. But did you know bro already too?
Elefante.
Bro, let's play hack balls for brain rats.
Okay, then go grab your tablet.
Bro, my tablet is banned from Roblox, bro. And I'm dead, bro, cause I reset it 5 times, bro. And then, bro, I was super dumb. It resetted my whole life.
Okay,
This rabbit has fainted.
let me play strongest.
Bro. Hack ball for brain rats, bro.
No. Nah. You're not doing what you want to do because you made it a live stream about me every single day. So it's time for me to make a live stream about you. Everybody is doing that sea light. Do you know, guys, there is a secret. There could be a secret in everything.
did that live too.
So you go in here and then click
Everybody don't think you
the star on the blue thing. There will be a secret thing that you will see that I'm using right now.
Everybody only
Yep. I couldn't stop this guy. Yep. That's what happens to you, bro. Everybody's so mean. No, don't do it. Okay, that's it. I'm leaving your house, bro. Your sister's too loud. Can you open the door for real quick?
Bro. My baby's not loud, bro. He just cried. And the cry just stopped.
Okay, you can come to my house.
Bro, mom, baby is alone here.
Okay. I want to practice this. Look at this. Ah! Look! No!
Corrupt. Bro.
Corrupt nations! Dun 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 dun. Corrupt nations! Yeah!
Bro, let's do the corrupt nature to the people, bro.
Nah, you're too weak.
Corrupt nature.
That's it. I'm face revealing your face right now.
Your video's done.
Bakit?
I'm face revealing.
Bakit yan?
Look at him.
Hindi ko po alam na
He's ugly. Skibidi ugly. He's skibidi ugly. Okay.
Bye, bro.
I want
Wait,
to
bro,
end the
what's your
channel.
account?
I want to end the channel, bro.
Yan, mag-step pa si Tonton.
You want to join my... Do you want to join me? Bukas?
Bukas na.
Wait. Could you end the live stream? I don't know how to end it.